This lesson will talk about the preterito de verbo ir, the preterite of the verb ir. This verb does not follow the normal rules for conjugating in any tense. So let's review the verb ir in the present tense before we get into the preterite. On page 2, that very first column is all present tense verbs. So page 2 is all special verbs. The first column is present tense, and the middle column is the preterite tense. So, real quick review of the present tense. Ir means to go. So you should already have this filled in column 1. We have the forms voy, vas, va, vamos, van. I go, you go, he or she goes, we go, they go. So the past tense of to go, we wouldn't say yesterday I go to the store. So yesterday I went, you went, he or she went, we went, they went. The forms in the preterite for ir are fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fueron. This verb is going to be very important that you pronounce the vowels correctly. Yo fui, él or ella fue. Fuimos, fueron. Be careful with pronunciation when you do any of your speaking parts. On page 43, if you need to copy the forms of ir, I would do that real quick onto your page 43. And we're only going to do the verb ir for today. So there's just 2 activities that we're going to look at. The first one, you're going to circle the correct form of ir for the subject indicated. Pause the video, circle your choices, then restart to check your answers. You should have yo fui a la tienda de ropa. I went to the clothing store. Ellos fueron al estadio de béisbol. They went to the baseball stadium. Tú fuiste a un parque nacional. You went to a national park. Nosotros fuimos al parque de diversiones. We went to the amusement park. Usted fue al teatro. You went to the theater. Ustedes fueron a la ciudad para comprar ropa. You all went to the city to buy clothing. Tú y yo fuimos al mar para bucear. You and I went to the sea to snorkel. This part, you're going to fill in the correct preterite form of ir. Pause the video, write in your answers, and then restart to check. Yo fui, tú fuiste, ella fue, nosotros fuimos, ellos fueron, usted fue. And a quick reminder about al and a la. When you're going to or you went to a place, you need a. And if you have a and then el right after it, so a el lago, a el is really hard to pronounce and to keep separated, so they don't even bother. They smush them together. Remembering that al and del are the 2 contractions in Spanish. So a la playa, but al lago, al teatro, al monumento. So that's the verb ir. Conjugate like normal, but make sure you use the special chart because it does not follow the rules.